Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 2nd November 2024. Banks have slowed down credit card issuances due to increasing defaults among customers. The Reserve Bank of India reported a significant decline in new card additions from August to September. Experts warn that this cautious approach may continue as lenders are wary of rising delinquencies and new regulatory measures affecting unsecured loans. India is adopting a cautious stance on implementing the OECD-led Pillar 2 tax regime, which mandates a 15% minimum corporate tax rate for multinational enterprises with global revenues exceeding 750 million euros. Though the government may soon include an enabling provision in the Income Tax Act as part of a broader legislative revamp, full implementation could be delayed due to minimal projected revenue gains. Saudi Arabia is reviving plans of investing in grassroots Indian refiners after Indian state-run refiners began evaluating proposals to reduce the share of expensive Saudi grades sourced under term contracts and substitute them with cheaper Russian oil. The move by Saudis to consider investments in new Indian refiners, proposed by both Bharat Petroleum and Hindustan Petroleum, is to ensure a captive market for their crude oil and regain dwindling market share in India after their proposed investments in Ratnagiri refinery and Reliance Industries soared. The government has tightened the wastage allowance that exporters of gold, silver and platinum jewelry can claim at the manufacturing stage to qualify for duty-free import of raw materials. The revised norms, effective from January 1st, will reduce permissible wastage across various jewelry categories, distinguishing for the first time between handmade and machine-made pieces. Exported goods must match the weight of imported duty-free metals minus the permissible wastage to ensure that excess metal does not enter the local market. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.